What do you think is the legacy that you leave behind?
An awful lot of students, all over the world who I hope, thinking carefully, thinking imaginatively, and not expecting too much in the way of reward. Curiosity driving people, whether they're doing field work or experiments or theory. Maybe that's my main legacy, not so much the students who were in my classes or working with me in a lab, but anyone who set their eyes on the books. Maybe just having influenced a lot of people in a direction which could be helpful. I'll say no more than that, could be helpful. If I have a legacy, that's probably it.
What about if I ask you what are you proud of in all the things that you have done in your career?
Well, I suppose the books, because the books must have influenced a great many people, for better or for worse. The main thing is to have had a microphone, to have been able to try to pass things on. That's satisfying. And then for a much narrower audience, my research work on the whole of, if you get something past reviewers and your own personal readers, it obviously has some merit. And, you know, I didn't publish much. I think my total papers were only about 40, which is not a huge amount by many standards. But I think that having that stuff out there, even forever, to put it rather grandly, is, for me, a satisfying part of what I did. And geology happened to be the stage I was on.